Go is a compiled, garbage-collected, concurrent programming language developed by Google. Robert Griesmer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson started sketching the goals for a new language on the whiteboard on September 21, 2007, building on previous work related to the Inferno operating system. Within a few days, the goals had settled into a plan to do something and a fair idea of what it would be. Design continued part-time in parallel with unrelated work. By January 2008, Ken had started work on a compiler with which to explore ideas. It generated C code as its output. By mid-year, the language had become a full-time project and had settled enough to attempt a production compiler. In May 2008, Ian Taylor independently started on a GCC front-end for Go using the draft specification. Russ Cox joined in late 2008 and helped move the language and libraries from prototype to reality. Go was officially announced in November 2009 with implementations released for the Linux and Mac OS X platforms. As of the launch, Go was not considered to be ready for adoption in production environments. It is designed for exceptionally fast compilation times even on modest hardware. Go is mostly in the C family with significant input from the Pascal, Modula, Oberon family and some ideas from languages inspired by Tony Hawk's CSP such as Newsquik and Limbo.
There are so many people involved in developing this project. Ken Thompson was born in 4th of February 1943. He is an American pioneer of computer science, notable for his work with the B programming language and his shepherding of the Unix and Plan 9 operating systems. Thompson is also the co-creator of Google's programming language Go. Ken Thompson was awarded by Turing Award in 1983 and National Medal of Technology in 1999. Robert C. Pike was born in 1956. He is a Canadian software engineer and an author. He is best known for his work at Bell Labs, where he was a member of the Unix team and was involved in the creation of the Plan 9 from Bell Labs and Inferno operating systems, as well as the Limbo programming language. Robert Griesmer is also the co-creator of Google Go programming language. Ian Taylor independently started on a GCC front-end for Go using the draft specification. Then Russ Cox joined in late 2008 and helped to move the language and libraries from prototype to reality. After year 2000, there are so many changes, improvements, innovations regarding computer technology, like sprawling libraries and dependency chains, dominance of networking, client-server focus, massive clusters, the rise of multi-core CPUs. But major systems languages were not designed with all these factors in mind. In software industry, it takes too long to build software. The tools are slow and getting slower. Dependencies are uncontrolled. Machines have stopped getting faster.
But yet software still grows, and if we stay as we are, software construction will be slow. Go was born out of frustration with existing languages and environments for systems programming. Programming had become too difficult and the choices of languages was partly to blame. One had to choose either efficient compilation, efficient execution, or ease of programming. All these were not available in the same mainstream language. Programmers who were choosing ease over safety and efficiency by moving to dynamically typed languages such as Python and JavaScript rather than C++ or to a lesser extent Java. Goals: the efficiency of a statically typed compiled language with the ease of programming of a dynamic language. Safe: Go is type safe and memory safe. Go has pointers but no pointer arithmetic. For random access, use slicers which know their limits. Good support for concurrency and communication. Go promotes writing systems and servers as sets of lightweight communicating process called Go routines with strong support from the language. Run thousands of Go routines if you want and say goodbye to Stack Overflows. High-speed compilation. Go compilers produce fast code fast. Typical builds take a fraction of a second, yet the resulting programs run nearly as quickly as comparable C or C++ code, and it provides efficient, latency-free garbage collection.
Go is an attempt to combine the ease of programming of an interpreted dynamically typed language with the efficiency and safety of a statically typed compiled language. It also aims to be modern with support for networked and multi-core computing. Finally, it is intended to be fast. It should take at most a few seconds to build a large executable on a single computer. To meet these goals required addressing a number of linguistic issues, an expressive but lightweight type system, concurrency and garbage collection, rigid dependency specification, and so on. These cannot be addressed well by libraries or tools.
Paradigm. Google Go is a compiled language. A compiled language is a programming language whose implementations are typically compilers, that is, translators which generate machine code from source code, and not interpreters, which is step-by-step executors of source code where no translation takes place. Concurrent computing is a form of computation in which many calculations are carried out simultaneously, operating on the principle that large problems can often be divided into smaller ones which are then solved concurrently. There are several different forms of concurrent computing: bit level, instruction level, data and task parallelism. Concurrent has been employed for many years mainly in high-performance computing. Communication and synchronization between the different subtasks are typically one of the greatest obstacles to getting good concurrent and programs performance. Imperative programming is a programming paradigm that describes computations in terms of statements that change a programming state, in much the same way that imperative mood in natural languages expresses commands to take action. Imperative programs define sequences of commands for the computer to perform. The term is used in opposition to declarative programming, which expresses what needs to be done without prescribing how to do it in terms of sequences of actions to be taken. Functional and logical programming are examples of a more declarative approach. Structured programming can be seen as a subset or subdiscipline of imperative programming, one of the major programming paradigms. It is most famous for removing or reducing reliance on the go-to statement. Historically, several different structuring techniques or methodologies have been developed for writing structured programs.
Implementations. The language Google Go is implemented according to the design principles such as simplicity, which means few keywords passable without a symbol table; orthogonality, which means a few orthogonal features work better than a lot of overlapping ones; and data structures. Compilers. There are two compilers used in Go language. Those are 6G, 8G, 5G, which is developed by Ken Thompson. That is more experimental, generates object code very quickly. Not GCC linkable, but has FFI support. 6G has good Go routine support, muxes them onto threads, implements segmented stacks. 6G has a simple but effective mark and sweep collector. The other compiler is GCC Go, which is developed by Ian Taylor, that uses Go front end for GCC and generates good code not as quickly as previous one. GCC Go is lacking segmented stacks, allocates one Go routine per thread. At the moment, GCC Go has no garbage collector. The new collector is being developed for both compilers. Go offers an expressive type system, fast compilation, good performance, and built-in language features that simplify threaded programming and concurrency. Google is releasing the source code under the BSD license with the hope that a community will emerge around the new programming language and participate in the effort to make it a compelling choice for software development. The native Go compilers called 6G and 8G support for 64-bit and x86 system architectures are designed to be extremely fast. There is also an alternative compiler called GCC Go that is based on the GNU compiler collection. The GCC based compiler isn't as fast but is said to generate more efficient code.
Unlike C, C++, and Java, the language Google Go ignores